Hey kids! Today we're on a magical adventure. Our friend Emma has a special surprise for us. Let's see what's inside this beautiful box. Hi everyone! I can't wait to see what's inside. Are you ready? Let's open it together. With every rip of paper, the excitement grows. What magical wonders will this box show? A world of fun where dreams come true. Let's dive in and explore, just me and you. Wow, look at all these toys. They're so beautiful. First, a doll with a sparkling dress. Her smile so bright, she's sure to impress. A robot friend with lights that gleam, ready to play and share every dream. Hello, everyone. Let's be friends. Next, a set of blocks, so colorful and bright. Building towers and castles, reaching new heights. With imagination as our guide, the fun and learning side by side. Look, I made a castle. What should I build next? And finally, a friend so soft and sweet, a cuddly toy for snuggles and sleep. Through every adventure, night and day, this little friend is here to stay. I love my new friend. I can't wait to play with all my toys. What a magical unboxing, filled with joy. Each toy a treasure for every girl and boy. Remember, the fun is in the play, imagination leading the way. Thanks for unboxing with me.